I'm out of here.
Oh gosh. What's that noise? It's coming from downstairs. Leopold, are you okay down there? What happened here, Leopold? Oh my gosh. Who the freak broke the gumball machine?
John.
How did that happen?
He was looking at Michael and Heather Martin's YouTube channel DaddyOFive to check to see if their videos are deleted, and they're still on YouTube and they didn't take the videos down. And he lost it. He picked the golf ball and smashed the glass, started throwing chairs around.
It's a mess.
No kidding. He threw my Unreal Tournament, our Xbox and PlayStation 2.
I see that. Did you check to see if John is okay yet?
Not yet, I'm cleaning this glass up. He's throwing a tantrum because DaddyOFive's videos are still on YouTube and still on the channel.
I don't believe this. Unbelievable.
That's horrible. He's started accusing me because Mike's YouTube channel aren't down.
This is stupid. Remember last year on July 4th we had a good time with your neighbor watching fireworks with my friends?
Absolutely.
He was very nice. And in the interview John said that Michael and Heather Martin are going to promise him that they're going to remove their videos. John just saw the paper DaddyOFive's email and password left on the grass. He didn't sign into their YouTube account.
I have no idea.
Did John try to remove their videos?
He was upstairs 5 minutes, then he came back downstairs.
Well, where's he at now?
John already left. He stormed out of the house.
I understand that you're scared, but why you didn't come upstairs and knock on my bathroom door?
You were in the shower. I remembered the 7 Supergirls YouTube channel was deleted in August 17, 2018 and March 12, 2019, except the DaddyOFive's channel is not removed in July 18, 2018.
This is ridiculous. I'm going to have to call the police and FBI about this. And when everyone and my friends gets home they're going to freak out. I'm also going to call Jake Randolph and tell him that John broke the gumball machine glass.
What's going on, Leopold? Is there something bad going on?
Look at Wowie Zowie Gumball Machine.
What happened to our gumball machine? Who did this?
John Kotler threw a temper tantrum again because DaddyOFive's videos are still on YouTube.
Who's John Kotler?
He's my neighbor. He picked one of the golf balls and smeared it to the gumball machine glass. I picked it all off and it's in the trash.
I see. Are you okay? You didn't cut yourself.
Yes, I'm okay.
You should have wear gloves if there's broken glass.
The machine's still working but only the glass broken.
Yeah, I know how this glass breaks, but now what? You know how long it's going to take to get another piece of glass?
Yeah, if he breaks it, he's going to pay for it.
Yeah, when we see him he's definitely paying for it.
Well, I already called the police and FBI and they found his car and they took him to the police station.
Really?
Yeah. Before he broke the gumball machine he was throwing chairs around. He threw my Unreal Tournament, our Xbox and PlayStation 2. He threw the bowling pins around. One of the arcade games almost broken. He flipped the pool table.
Why did you let him do that? Where were you at, Alan?
I was in the shower and I heard him destroying our game room. If he was messing it up he would get hurt.
Oh my gosh, so John Kotler is in jail right now? And you should have called the police on him.
Yeah, Alan.
Well, we thought it was a face-off.
It's Rachel. What the hell does she want? What's up, Rachel? Not a good time.
Hello.
What is wrong with you?
I have some bad news. John Kotler.
What about him?
Because he smashed our Wowie Zowie Gumball Machine?
Yes. John is going to be gone for a while.
Where?
Because I called the police and FBI and I took him to the police station.
He's in the psychiatric hospital for 5 days until Saturday.
Wow, sorry to hear about that.
Yeah, because we're not together, you know, he went berserk.
That explains a lot.
Well, we're just going to wait for him to come back.
It's not Christmas anymore, it's May.
I know, yes. I'll come to your house, guys, and have some time to go out to TGI Fridays for dinner and we talk about it.
Sure, we can do that.
But first we're going to call the Gumball Machine department and get a new Wowie Zowie Gumball Machine glass.
That's a good idea. Alright, take care, guys.
Bye.
I knew something's wrong with him.
Yeah, I don't know who's worse.
I didn't know that he has diagnosis.
Well then, let's go ahead call the Gumball Machine department and get a new Wowie Zowie Gumball Machine glass to replace it, and then we can go to TGI Fridays for dinner with Rachel Alligatlin.
That's going to have a serious problem. Let's go, guys.